I've been using Uphold for a while now, and in this video, I'll provide an honest and unbiased review. From its key features to risks and considerations, I'll cover everything you need to know. By the end, you'll have a better understanding of whether Uphold is the right platform for your crypto and financial needs. Key features: wide range of cryptocurrencies. You can access to over 200 cryptocurrencies, including new tokens often listed before they're available on other platforms. Earn rewards. Earn rewards of up to 50% on eligible holdings, making it a great platform for passive income opportunities. Simple and transparent trading. No hidden fees. What you see is what you pay. Secure and reliable. Uphold never lends out your funds, ensuring your assets remain secure and accessible for withdrawal at any time. Beginner-friendly design for new users, along with professional tools and resources for experienced traders. Offers real-time price updates and historical data to make informed decisions. Global accessibility. Uphold supports multiple currencies and is accessible in over 180 countries, making it ideal for international users. Considerations: fees. While Uphold is transparent about fees, they may be higher compared to some competitors, especially for less frequent traders. Learning curve. Pros: extensive crypto options, over 200 cryptocurrencies available, including new tokens. Transparent pricing, no hidden fees, making it easier to understand costs up front. Passive income, competitive rewards on eligible holdings. Global reach, accessible in 180 plus countries with support for multiple currencies. Robust security, funds are never lent out, and advanced security features protect user assets. Cons: higher fees. Trading fees can be higher compared to some competitors, especially for less active traders. Learning curve. Beginners might take time to understand all features and maximize benefits. Market volatility risks. As with any crypto platform, the inherent volatility of the market poses potential financial risks. If you're looking for a platform with a wide selection of cryptocurrencies, competitive rewards, and robust security, Uphold could be a great option. However, always evaluate your personal financial goals and speak with an expert if needed before diving in. Thanks for watching.